So you are welcome. Say a particle of mass 3 kg slide down on a rough plane, inclined at an angle 60 degrees to the horizontal. So if the coefficient of friction is 0.4, so find the acceleration of the particle correct to 2 decimal place. So what you have here is you have an inclined plane like this. So you see it's a rough inclined plane. So for angle 60, then here you have the load on it. The mass 36 kg. So you have the normal here. So you have mg. Then here you have mg cos 60 degree. Then so what you have here is the force acting downward is mg sine 60 degree. Then the force acting upward. So in this case, if since this is inclined plane and a rough inclined plane, as the load slide down, is going to experience what? Frictional force, which is in opposite direction. Then it means as it's moving like this, the frictional force will be acting in opposite direction. So they tell you that the coefficient of friction is what? 0.4. So it means frictional force is going to be what? UR. So frictional, so you can calculate UR. So what is R? R is normal reaction. So which is perpendicular to the plane. So you have R equal to what? Mg cos 60 degree. Then here is since R is this, so you have frictional force to what? Frictional force is U. So what's value of U? So the value of U is 0.4 times what? M. M is 36 times what? Times 10, which is gravity. So multiply by 10, that's cos 60. So what you have here, well, let's say this one is 10 over 4 times 36 times 10 times what? Half. So cos 60 is half. So this cancel this. This cancel this, that will be 18. Then you have 4 multiplied by 18. So 4 times 8 is 32. So 4 times 1 is 4. So that's 32. That's 73 Newton. So the frictional force here, so it's going to be what? 72 Newton. Then you have to calculate the acceleration as it slide down the plane. So it means if it's moving like this, so you have mg sine theta. So minus the force acting in opposite direction, which is frictional force, equal to what? Ma. That is, so that's Ma. So this is the force. So you can refer to this one as what? Net force. So the net force is equal to this. So F equal to Ma, that's second law of motion. Then you have this one to be what? So you have 36 times 10 times sine 60 degree minus 72 equal to 36 times A or 36A. So what you have here is 360 multiplied by 0.866. So 866 0 minus 72 equal to 36A. Then Then you can have here. So here you have 36 multiplied by points. So that's 6. So here you have so that's 311.76 minus 72 equal to this. So you say minus 72. So you have 239.76 equal to 36. So the acceleration is going to, so you divide both sides by what? Divide both sides by 36. So you will have equal to 239.76 divided by 36. So you will have equal to what? So divided by 36. So that's 6.66 meter per second squared. So that's it. Thanks for watching.